Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ServiceNow Universe. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this session we'll discuss which function to use for opening the URL in ServiceNow client script. Client script can be written in client scripts or in the UI action as well. So we will see in the UI action, and we have the function called window.open, which is widely used in JavaScript, and how we can use this in ServiceNow, and versus this is the function g underscore navigation dot open. This is provided by ServiceNow API. So let's see what is the difference between using this and which one is best to you best for this. Okay, to check this, I have added a UI action on incidents table. So let me open incident. So let me open any one record here. Okay, now we can see two UI actions here: open URL with window.open and open with g underscore navigation. Okay, now let's go and see this UI action first. I have this UI action here. Uh, this is client side UI action. So this is a client UI action where we can write the client script, and this is a form button. Okay, and we have a function open window, and we are simply writing this window.open and google.com and then blank to open it in a new tab. Okay. Okay, now let me just try to click on open URL with uh, window.open UI action. So this is not working. So if I open the console, let me just open it, and let me click on it again. So we can see the error here. It is not recognizing the open function. Opening the open function from the null is not working here. It means it is saying this window is not defined, and we are trying to uh, call the function open from window, but window is null. Okay, now to make this work, what we have to do is we have to go to the UI actions. Okay, now these are the two UI actions which I created. So we have to go to this open URL with this UI action record, and there is a field called isolate script. We have to make this false. Okay, so once we make this false, now window is available in that page. Okay, so let me just go back and refresh this. Okay, the page is refreshed. Now I'll just click on this. So now this is working fine. Okay, but to make this window.open work, we have to go and change the isolate script from true to false. But this is not recommended by ServiceNow. ServiceNow will not recommend this. Okay, and whenever if we do this in a scoped application, and if we try to submit it for certification, then the certification team will catch this and they will not allow this. Okay, and we have to give a strong reason for doing this. Okay, okay, now let's check open with g underscore navigation UI action. Okay, now we can see this is also a form button, this is also a client UI action, and we have a function here. Under that we have written g underscore navigation dot open. We are opening the same google.com link here, and underscore blank will open it in a new tab. Okay, now let's go back to the incident record, and let me just clear the console errors first, and I'll just click on open with navigation, g underscore navigation. That opened it, and we don't have any issues here. Okay, now this is best recommended by ServiceNow. Okay, okay, and if we use g underscore navigation dot open, this will not be an issue with certification in scoped applications. This will be allowed, and we can use this g underscore navigation dot open in the client scripts as well, wherever we are writing the client scripts, and we don't need to mark this isolate script as false here. Okay, and if we go to client scripts, let me just open client scripts, configure client scripts. So in client scripts as well, if we go here, so we have isolate script field. Okay, so if we want to use window.open, then we have to again make this false, but we can use g underscore navigation uh, to escape this. We don't need to do anything here. Okay, so this is all about window.open versus g underscore navigation.open. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then please hit the thumb icon and share the video. And for more videos like this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.